It's another cold, overcast day in Houston. What a great theme for our coffee vlogs. Vlogs? Ew. We should make it like best chili in Houston. No, we shouldn't. No, we should not. What is up, you guys? Today we are taking you on an adventure downtown again to one of our fave coffee shops called Grinders. Grinders is like a combination Pizza Hut and Taco Bell, except for it's a combination CBD and coffee shop. And they make like CBD infused coffee drinks and stuff, but you can get stuff without CBD if you don't want that. That's cool. The decor inside is really cute. There's some really cute murals on the wall to take photos, and the coffee's really good. We actually get our beans. We actually get our coffee beans from Grinders because they sell other roasters beans there. Yeah, that was a lot of sentence. Here is the cute little shop, and there's even a little mural you could take an Instagram picture with outside. As you can see, the inside's super duper cute, and there's our friend Cena wearing a Santa hat. They have cute little plants everywhere. Here's my little drink. And Dilly's drink. Here's me drinking my drink. They also have this really cool latte art printer where you can choose different art to print onto your latte, and you can even send a photo to get printed onto your latte, which I think is so cool. And I'm showing you guys on a napkin so you can see it. Here is the little CBD shop attached to the coffee shop where they have all fun little CBD infused things. Cena came in clutch, gave us some to-go drinks. This is the honey lavender latte. First time trying it, super good. I'm gonna give Grinders a 9 out of 10 just because I'm not a big CBD person and they don't have a lot of food options there. Being someone who does not have dairy, I cannot have any of their pastries and any of their food because they all have meat and dairy on them. So I go there for coffee and coffee only. I'm gonna be super freaking hyped by the time we get home. It's also traffic time again, so it's time to sit in traffic full of energy. Woo! We love an hour drive home with 2 cups of coffee in our system. Dylan took the wrong turn. Look how crazy. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is kind of ominous. Wow, very creepy. Okay. Good thing there's no poo on your car. Yep. That's very, actually, maybe we're just lucky. No superstitions here. That was all good luck. We made it home. Like and subscribe for more coffee content.